Hello everyone, I am Justina Paris and I welcome you all to today's 20 important questions. तो यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करते हैं जो भी आज के इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज आर्टिकल्स हैं उसी के क्वेश्चंस थोड़े डिस्कस करेंगे. Let us see the first question. Who is the Chief Minister of Haryana recently appointed हुए हैं for the second time? So that is नायब सिंह सैनी. तो ये आपका आंसर है. Let's proceed to the next question. Which is the first state to buy all crops from farmers at MSP? So if you've referred to the last month's GK mantra या आपने current affairs अच्छे से किया है, you would know this answer because again Haryana was in news for that. So ये इसका आंसर है हरियाणा. Let's see. What is the maximum strength of judges in the Supreme Court of India? क्या है? It is 33 plus 1, right? 1 यानी कि Chief Justice of India. So इसका आंसर क्या है? 34. Okay, so answer to this is D, 34. Next is who determines the strength of the Supreme Court? कितने judges होने चाहिए? ये के कौन बताता है? It is the Parliament by law, according to Article 124, can decide what should be the maximum strength of the judges. ठीक है? तो इसका आंसर A है. Let's see the next question. The Supreme Court of India was established on, डेट पूछा है 26 January 1950 है. 28 January was the first sitting, inaugural sitting. So 26 और यहाँ पे आपको याद रखना है कि 1950 है, अगले साल 75 years पूरे होने को है. So again very important for you. ठीक है, 75th year अभी चल रहा है. So इसके 75 years पूरे हुए हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया के. एंड उन्होंने रिसेंटली एक फ्लैग भी अनवील किया था, राइट? उस फ्लैग में क्या था? फ्लैग में था सुप्रीम कोर्ट का बिल्डिंग, अशोक चक्र एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो पूछ भी सकते हैं व्हाट is what are the things that are there on the flag, okay, of that was recently unveiled by the Supreme Court of India. Chalo, proceeding to the next question. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Appointment तो एक ही करते हैं, वो है हमारे President. So President is the one that appoints the Chief Justice of India, and we have seen outgoing जो Chief Justice है ये बस recommend करता है. तो ये confusion नहीं होना, recommendation का काम है but appointment तो एक ही करता है. ठीक है? Let's see the next one. Who is the 50th Chief Justice of India? Now यहाँ पे अगर आपको ऐसे directly आता है 50, you might get worried, but अभी का जो करंट है वही 50th है. So who is the current one? DY चंद्रचूड़, right? धनंजय यशवंत चंद्रचूड़. और जो अगला होगा that is 51st one. So remember this, okay? The next question. Who did CJI DY चंद्रचूड़ recommend as his successor? कौन है? It is संजीव खन्ना. Okay, तो ये most probably यही बनेंगे, संजीव खन्ना. So remember this. That was a recommendation given by CJI. Next is what is the purpose of food fortification? Food fortification का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे आप न्यूट्रिएंट्स बढ़ाते हो इन अ फूड जहाँ पे न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होते हैं या कम मात्रा में होते हैं. इट इज एन आर्टिफिशियल प्रोसेस, है ना? सो दिस इज फॉर व्हाट पर्पस पूछा है? इट इज फॉर अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. इट इज नॉट फॉर टेक्सचर, नॉट फॉर स्मेल, फॉर शेल्फ लाइफ, बट डाइट न्यूट्रिएंट्स बढ़ाने के लिए. तो ऐसे कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. When was the Citizenship Act first amendment? ये first आया था 1955 में और कितनी बार amend हुआ है? 6 times, right? The recent amendment कब था? 2019. So 2019 was the recent amendment of this. Let's see the next question. Which section of Citizenship Amendment Act was upheld by the Supreme Court of India in ruling regarding immigrants of Bangladesh? So recent का जो case था आज हमने देखा था. What is the case about? Which is the section? Section 6A, right? So let's see the next question because next question पूछता है कि Section 6A क्या है? Section 6A जो है it allows the Bangladeshi immigrants in Assam to obtain Indian citizens. So this is specifically to Assam and therefore your answer is C. Let's see the next question. Which of the following religious groups was not included in CAA 2019? So which is the answer? यहाँ पे we have the 6 groups that were added. Hindus, Parsi 6 included है, Christians included है, Buddhists included है, है ना, केवल Jews are not included. Okay, so remember this, Jews are not included and Muslims of course are not included, but बाकी के जो भी groups हैं they are included. So this is your answer. Let's see the next question. According to data from the National Family Health Survey 5, what percentage of marital women in India have experienced physical or sexual violence at the hands of the husbands? So this is according to data, 1/3, nearly 1/3 है data. So ये आप याद रख लेना, 33%. Okay, 33% have experienced marital rape. So even though हमने article में देखा था that marital rape is not a crime in India, it's not considered as a crime unless you are under 18 years. Okay, unless a woman is under 18 years. हम देखते हैं कि there are other ways to also report it, right? Like for example domestic violence. तो domestic violence के cases में डाल सकते हैं, assault का case डाल सकते हैं, but marital rape ये अलाउड नहीं है. So this is what is the law in India. Let's see the next question. The doctrine of Kavarcha, आज के आर्टिकल में देखा था doctrine of Kavarcha. So in English common law implies, ये क्या imply करता है कि the suspension of a married woman's legal existence consolidating her identity into husbands. I told you, husband and wife are into one and her legal autonomy has been curtailed, right? तो इसका आंसर क्या है? B. And we take this from their English law, लेकिन उन्होंने बंद किया है, ये हमने आज के आर्टिकल में देखा था. Let's see the next question. Which country launched the new digital platform? नाम क्या है? Musanet, है ना, ये जो वर्ड है ये प्लेटफॉर्म का नाम है फॉर वेज प्रोटेक्शन. कौन सी कंट्री? सऊदी अरेबिया. Okay, so this is an easy question. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is not a direct tax? तो इनकम टैक्स, कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स, एस्टेट टैक्स, जो अबॉलिश हुआ है एस्टेट टैक्स, राइट, 1985 में, तो ये तीन तो डायरेक्ट है. सेल्स टैक्स कम्स अंडर इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, सो देयरफॉर योर आंसर इज डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टैक्स गिव्स मैक्सिमम रेवेन्यू टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया? तो रिसेंटली हमने देखा था इट इज द पर्सनल इनकम टैक्स. इट इज ए फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम, ये सबसे ज्यादा है, सो योर आंसर इज ए. And direct tax contributes about 56.7%, right? सबसे ज्यादा direct tax में contribute करता है, और direct tax में भी income tax. The next question, which state's contribution to direct tax revenue was the highest? This is Maharashtra. This we have seen in the recent times, so answer is B. Next one. Which country criminalized seeking surrogacy abroad? ये आज के article, last article में देखा था. What is the answer? It is Italy that has you can say ensured or criminalized. आप दूसरे कंट्री में जाके भी surrogacy नहीं कर सकते. In fact, surrogacy is even illegal in Italy, right? We've seen this. So therefore, Italy में जो conservative government है under Meloni, right? So where we are ensuring the protecting the rights or the dignity of women. तो इसी के इसमें we see that surrogacy has made illegal. And that's all for today. We've seen the 20 important questions. I hope you've got maximum right. Thank you.